So because I'm sick, I will be recording some videos instead of teaching actual class. It's a bit unfortunate because we're starting this new course, but I will do my best to make these videos as comprehensive as possible. So this course is all about trigonometry, and specifically trigonometry in a right angle triangle. So we're still sticking to these right angle triangles. Now, what is trigonometry? You've already discovered that there's a relation between the angles of a triangle. The sum of them is always 180 degrees. Now you've also discovered in previous course that there's a relation between the sides of a right angle triangle. Well, this was the Pythagorean theorem. Now, what are we going to do in trigonometry? We'll be trying to figure out if there's a relation between the sides and the angles. So a bit of a combination of these two. And these relations, we'll call them trigonometric values of an angle. Now, before we get started on these trigonometric values, we'll have to do some naming of the sides again. Now, there's not much that's changing, but we're adding something. In this triangle right here, this is still the hypotenuse, and these two are still right angle sides. Nothing changed. But in trigonometry, we'll be talking about an angle. And depending on which angle we're talking about, these names are gonna change a little bit. So if we're gonna look at this acute angle right here at B, well then BC is still the hypotenuse. These two are still right angle sides, but because we're looking at B, we'll call CA the opposite right angle side. Well, why? Because it's on the opposite side of B. And we'll call BA the adjacent right angle side. Again, why? Well, because it's adjacent to B. Of course, these two would swap around. If we're going to talk about angle C, then this one would become the opposite right angle side, and this one would become the adjacent right angle side.